Hello, it's Ciaran here from Craftworks, and I'm going to show you today how you can make the most out of AI and machine learning using our MLOps platform Navio to take your successful experiments out of the lab and into production. So Navio offers a wide range of operations that support the machine learning lifecycle, such as monitoring, retraining, security, and deployment. This enables any organization to integrate AI into its workflow. Navio is organized into various workspaces. Each workspace comes with built-in user management out of the box. This gives users fine-grained access control over their models for enhanced collaboration across their organization. Workspaces are then further divided into use cases. The first thing you want to do is upload your model as a zip archive. This zip contains our Python model that's wrapped using MLflow so that you can continue to use any of your favorite frameworks for modeling. You can upload almost any model to solve a range of problems, from predictive maintenance to supply chain optimization. In this case, though, the model is a predictive quality model that predicts the weight of a plastic pellet that passes through a plastic extruder. Navio even supports GPU-accelerated inference for extra speed when it's needed. Include a sample request that Navio uses to generate the API so that you can interact with the model. We've included the trained dataset here to enable out-of-distribution detection. And we're also using the default explanations, which help to understand the model better. You could also provide custom Plotly explanations to customize how the data is visualized. All right, so all that's left to do now is to name the model, and voila. All right, let's take a look at the trained dataset that was uploaded along with the model. Consists of 91,000 rows of historical data and a bunch of features or sensor data, such as this torque and melting pressure. And the model uses these to make a prediction of the weight of the product. So in this case, the weight of the plastic pallet. So let's try out our model to see if it's behaving as expected. Navio offers this try it out view so that you can try out models to test your assumptions before you deploy them. Here you can interact with a model in the sandbox environment and visualize the explanations of the predictions. You can then see here that the melting pressure had the largest impact on the prediction, whereas the torque negatively impacted the outcome. We can also test for outliers in the data here before shipping to production. Torque, for instance, here is a minor outlier in the data, indicating that the input is uncommonly seen in the trained dataset. Once you're satisfied with your model, you can deploy it very easily with just a few clicks. Spin up a deployment and assign the correct model. Navio will now generate the API required for integrating it into your dashboard, a machine, or any other client. After deployment, the API integration screen can be used to generate a deployment key for extra security to prevent prying eyes from accessing your valuable data. Here you can also see the REST endpoint that can be used to communicate with your model externally. Optionally, you can assign a machine ID to better identify your client. You can then use this to identify it on the machine overview, where you can see all the clients attached to your models and keep track of which clients are requesting predictions. After you have started integrating your model, you can monitor that model either per client or altogether. Monitor the model for outliers in the data, as data will drift over time, letting you know when to retrain your models using a new dataset. You can, of course, do this within Navio. We'll go back to the model details view, and here we can retrain the model by uploading a retrainer and the new dataset. We can then simply reassign the new model to the existing deployment. Your API will always stay the same, so retrained models will instantly be integrated into the workflow. All right, so that's it for now. We have some very exciting things planned for 2022, so please stay tuned and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We're more than happy to have a chat with you. Until then, have a nice day. Bye-bye.